Hello viewers, I am Jagdish Asnade. In this video I am explaining exercise 2.5 question number 7. Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. A is 7.5 km from B and B is 12.7 km from C. Ayub went from place A to place D and from there to place C. D is 9.3 km from A and C is 11.8 km from D. Who travel more and by how much? Clear from given figure. According to our question, Dinesh traveled A to B and from B to C, and we have given distance between AB 7.5 km and distance between B to C 12.7 km. So total distance covered by Dinesh AB plus BC. So I am writing here total distance traveled by Dinesh. So here I am writing total distance traveled by Dinesh. First we will find total distance covered by the total distance traveled by Dinesh. Dinesh traveled A to B and B to C. So here we will write AB plus BC, path of Dinesh, and we have given value of AB 7.5 km. Distance from A to B 7.5 km plus distance from B to C we have given 12.7 km. Now we will add. So 7 plus 5 12, carry forward 1, 2 1 3, 3 10 20, carry forward 1 1 plus 1 2. Here after decimal 1 digit, so 20.2 km total distance traveled by Dinesh. Now path of Ayub A to D and D to C. So we will write total distance traveled by Ayub is equal to, so A to D, path of Ayub A to D plus D to C. We are seeing from this figure distance between A to D 9.3 km plus distance between D to C 11.8 km. Now we will add. So after decimal 1 digit, 8 plus 1 11, carry 1 1 plus 9 10 and carry 1 11, carry forward 1 1 plus 1 2, so 21.1 km total distance traveled by Ayub. Now so we will compare. Here we are seeing 20.2 km, here 20.1 km. Distance traveled by Dinesh 20.2 km and distance traveled by Ayub 21.1 km. So it is clear from these two figures we can write now 20.2 is less than 21.1. So Dinesh travelled less distance and Ayub travelled more distance. So we will write according to our questions who travelled more distance. So Ayub, so we will write Ayub travelled more distance, and by how much we have given. So we will find difference between these two figures. Okay, so after subtracting we are getting 21.1 and 20.2. So you know how to subtract. So 1, we will subtract 2 from 1. So we will borrow 1, 11 minus 2, 9, here 0 and 0. So difference is 0.9 kilometer. So we will write difference we have just got. The difference is equal to 0.9 kilometer.